The Diamond Forge Foldable Step Ladder feels extremely solid for a compact household ladder thanks to its thick alloy steel frame that is clearly designed for demanding, everyday use. Its high weight capacity and reinforced structure give a reassuring sense of security, making it well suited for adults who need dependable support for higher shelves and projects. Wide, textured steps, cushioned handrails, and grippy rubber feet work together to keep you stable, so you can climb and descend without feeling wobbly or worried about slipping. When folded, the ladder becomes impressively slim, so it slides easily into a closet, behind a door, or under furniture without hogging valuable storage space. It arrives ready to use with no assembly fuss, which makes it especially convenient for people who just want to unfold it and get to work right away. Beyond basic chores, its clean, modern look means it can double as a display stand or extra storage surface when not in use, blending in nicely with many home interiors.